So now this is the Wireshark Lab of 802.11 Wi-Fi. Okay, in which we are investigate the 802.11 wireless network protocol of Wi-Fi protocol. Okay, from beginning with these, there's some author of this book of computer networking. They standardize some trace files for us because we have to capture these frames, but some of the computers doesn't have capable to capture these frames correctly. So we have to just use the trace file which is given here. Okay, which are collecting by air pcap and wireshark. Okay, so I'm just opening the wireshark and the trace file. The name of trace file is, you can see here, the Wireshark 802 underscore 11.pcap. Extract this file. Going here, open, and now here it is. Okay, and now is open here, as you can see here. Now we go to the beacons frame. So what the first question is, what are the SSIDs of two access point that showing the most beacon frame in this trace? First, we have to find the beacon frames and which is issuing the most SSIDs. So SSIDs are over, most of the SSIDs are 30, as you can see here, 13 more ST. So we have to see here there are more than 30 or not. If there, we have to find it. These are the 30. So as you can see here in these all they have SSIDs of 30 or 30. Don't have much more. And try to see here have or not. So there is nothing. So now we go to the next question. So the next question is, what are the intervals of a time between the transmission of beacon files of these access point from the 30th Mooreset access point? Okay, so for which we go. So now we go to the Wireshark, and as you can see here on IEEE wireless management. So I'm just click over here, just opening the fixed parameters in which you can see the beacon interval. So the interval is 0.102400. Okay. The next question is, what is the source MAC address on the beacon frame from 30 millisecond? Okay. So again, I'm going to Wireshark and I'm going on beacon frame, and this is the hexadecimal source address here. Next question is, what is the destination address? And another next question is MACB SSID. Okay. So the second, fourth, and fifth question answer is also here. This is the BSSID and this is the destination address. Okay. These all are the answers of these. So now we go to the next question. The beacon frame from a 30 that access point advertise that the access point can support 4 data rate and additional extended supported rate. What are these rates? So for which we go to the now Wireshark, and in this I'm again going to this wireless management here and tag parameters. So I'm just going to tag parameters as you can see here. This is the supported rates: 1B, 2B, 5.5B, 11B, Mbit seconds. Okay, the supported rates are here. Okay. Tag length is 4. These are their hexadecimal values. So next question is about data transfer. Okay, since the trace file we are already with the host associated with AP. Okay, so next question is find the 802 frame containing since TCP segment from the first TCP session season. What are three MAC address field in the 802.11 frame? So now we go to find the since TCP on the first session, for which I go to here Wireshark, and now I'm searching for the first TCP SYN. So here it is, the first TCP SYN. I'm just going here, and it is asking about the MAC address field. Okay, so for the MAC address field, I'm going to here. Okay, on this QoS data, and here as you can see, these are the transmitter address, destination address, source address, BSS IDs, STA address. Okay, and the next question is which MAC address is in this frame corresponding to wireless host. So the transmitter address is the address which is wireless to the host. Okay. So what next is asking about the IP address of wireless host. So as you can see, I'm showing you. And what is the destination IP address, for which again go to the Wireshark, and we go to the IP protocol, and this is the source and destination address here. Okay. So next question is also for SYN ACK of this TCP session. First we go to find it SYN ACK, and this is here the SYN ACK, and the question is what are the three MAC address in this field. So for which these are the MAC addresses: receiver address, transmitter address, destination address, and source addresses. Okay, and which MAC address is corresponding to the host address? So for which this is the transmitter address. Okay, and all other are same. So as these question, you can also do the further question of these file, and I'm doing these some question, and other question you can do yourself. Thank you.